Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. Who is responsible for the preparation of the Victim Compensation Scheme under the BNSS 2023? District Level Service Authority, Central Government, State Governments, or both B and C? The correct answer is option D, both B and C. Recently, in the Saif Ali alias Sohan versus the State GNCT of Delhi case, the Delhi High Court laid down important points regarding victim compensation scheme. Section 396 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 lays down the victim compensation scheme. State governments in coordination with the central government must create a scheme to provide funds for compensating victims or their dependents who have suffered due to a crime and require rehabilitation. Next, what are the maximum noise levels allowed in residential areas during the day according to the Noise Pollution Regulation and Control Rules 2000? 75 decibels, 55 decibels, 65 decibels or 45 decibels? The correct answer is option B, 55 decibels. Recently, in the Jago Nehru Nagar Residents Welfare Association versus Commissioner of Police case, the Bombay High Court established that places of worship regardless of religion could not claim exemption from being penalized for noise pollution violations. Noise Pollution Regulation and Control Rules 2000 specify maximum noise limits of 55 decibels during the day and 45 decibels at night for residential areas. Next, according to Article 324, who has the superintendence, direction and control of elections in India? Supreme Court, Election Commission of India, Ministry of Home Affairs or Parliament? The correct answer is option B, Election Commission of India. Article 324 in Constitution of India deals with the superintendence, direction and control of elections to be vested in an election commission. Next, what does Article 368 of the Constitution of India deal with? Election laws, state boundaries, constitutional amendments or judicial appointments? The correct answer is option C, constitutional amendments. Article 368 of the Constitution of India provides the mechanism for constitutional amendments. Next, which of the following under Civil Procedure Code is the duty of appellate court? Duty to appreciate evidence, duty to decide appeal finally, duty to re-appreciate evidence or all of these? The correct answer is option D, all of these. Duty of the appellate court under CPC includes duty to decide appeal finally, duty to interfere with decree for technical errors, duty to re-appreciate evidence or duty to record reasons. Now it's time for the practice question. A suit regarding immovable property may be instituted in a court in whose jurisdiction defendant resides, property is situated, defendant carries business or all of these. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.